Can kiss? Are you ignoring me? He's ignoring me. Hi. Thank you. Okay, I just wanted one kiss. What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? Did you have a good day today? Did you go for a walk? And then, where else did we go? You just want to lick me. Like always. No kisses. No more kisses. You tired? Yeah, you said, Mommy, it's past my bedtime. What are you doing? I love you. I love you. Are you my best friend? Are you my best friend? Yeah. Okay. Who's that? Who's that? Is that Bug? Buggy. I love you. I love you. Okay. Are you my best friend? Are you my best friend? We're not playing. We're not playing. You like to sneeze on my face, so here's my dog. He's tired. It's past his bedtime. Right, Buggy? See, but my mama's up, so I gotta be up and on top of her. Yeah. I love you. Can you say hi? Say hi. No, I don't want to hold hands right now. Are we holding hands? Is that what we're doing? Are you a kissaholic? Yeah. Will you hold Mommy's pen? Will you hold it? Thank you. You dropped it. You dropped Mommy's pen. What about some peppers? You want some peppers? Okay. Thank you. You want some string? Yeah, okay. I love you. Well, we're just up, bored. Can't sleep. So my Buggy's here with me. Yes, my Buggy's here. He's always here with me. He is such a mama's boy. He's such a mama's boy. Yeah. Say bye.